Baby bus.
Welcome to our restaurant. The customer wants a glass of lemonade. Let's make a glass of juice the customer wants. Bring it to the customer. Collect 100 coins to get a great gift. The customer wants a burger. Let's make a burger the customer wants. Take the burger to the customer. This burger is not what the customer wants. Throw the wrong burger into the garbage bin. Cheer up! The VIP customer is here! Let's make more food! The juice is so sweet and delicious! The VIP customer has given us a lot of coins! A VIP customer is coming!